Okay, so today we're going to cover audio, and the first thing we're going to do is make sure we have our file pulled into Premiere, and we're going to be working with this interview right here. So first let's just listen and see what we have. Okay, so right away we can tell that it's pretty loud in this setting, but luckily the guy we're interviewing is wearing a mic, so what we can do is fill the audio channels. So to do that, we're going to go over to Effects, and at the search bar we're just going to search the word fill. And under audio effects you'll see there's a fill left with right and a fill right with left. Essentially that means if you listen to the audio, over here there's a left and a right channel. And one of those is a good channel, one is kind of ambient noise. So let's just drag, we'll try left with right first, and just test it and see how it sounds. So we really still can't hear him very well. So that wasn't the one we want. What we can do is either just Command Z, undo our way out of it, or the long way is you can right click the file over here and go to remove attributes, and then we would just click OK. So left with right didn't work, let's try right with left. Just drag it over on top of the audio.
And I got out of practice and came here for food.
So that sounds a lot better. He's still a little quiet, so what we can do to fix that is a couple of things. We can either go over here on the right side, on the left side, and go to the audio clip mixer.
I forgot to turn off my
and we can see that audio channel 1 is at 0. We can raise it up a little bit.
Right. So I was like trying to listen to music and it just came out of my backpack.
So now he's pretty loud. So that's one way to do that. If you don't want to go that route, what you can do is, again, Command Z your way out of it. And you can right click and go to audio gain. And you can essentially enter a number that you want it to be raised to. So let's say we'll raise him like 4 notches. So you just type in 4 and hit enter.
I just realized, I like that song. You want to stay and play some more? And
so that's another way you can do that. Basically, you just want to make sure that this green level is bouncing somewhere between the 6 and the 12. It can hit red, but it shouldn't stay there, and it shouldn't really stay at 6 or at 12, but somewhere between is always
and after a while,
where you want to be.
Oh, you want to bring a speaker here at night? Sure. So how long is this going to take?
So he sounds pretty good. So what we always want to do at the end of everything we really edit significantly is we want to Command S to save, or you can always just hit File and save.